the cross wire come in, the first step. You can see the wire come. Okay. See, this cross wire come to here. How? The first step is cross wire come in. The second step is cutting. Okay, cut. So this wire is already in these places. Okay, the third step is the wire push. See, this cross wire pushed to the places. Then the next step is the knot wire will come. You see, the knot wire up. The knot wire up to these places. Oh, see, you can see here is the knot wire. Knot wire is ready, and the fifth step is twist. The main model will the first time twister. See, okay, the first time twister, and then the second time twister will be like this. Second time twister. Then the second time twister. 开始吧。See, it twisted. And then the next step is open.
The main motor second push.
Second push. Okay. The wheel back. See, this one opened, this one back. And then
this position can out.
Then this one out. The next step out. Okay. And then up. Okay. This is the full process. And then the main motor back. Main motor back. See, the main motor also back. So this is all the process, how this cannot finished. So, and after this one, you know this process, we will introduce you the buttons one by one, then you will know clearly.